Well, it's really South Carolina summertime when the peaches are coming in, and we're so happy today to have Gaie McLeod from McLeod Farms in McBee. Yes. And I must say, Gaie, that we appreciate that y'all are an underwriter of our show. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're so welcome.
So I think you've got a real winning dessert with a proven history.
I do. It's a great recipe. It's peach enchiladas. It's very easy and very tasty and very popular.
And shall we give credit to the lady who invented it?
Yes, it's a lady from McBee, Ms. Wickerson.
Okay, well, let's get started.
Okay, let's get started. Well, the first thing I did was I went ahead and cut up peaches and I quartered them because you want a nice piece of peach in your croissant.
Mm-hmm. And you wanted a semi-firm peach?
Yes,
because it's going to be baked some.
Yes.
All right.
And you're going to start off with one of these little containers here of croissants, the dough.
Okay.
And we spread it out. We've already done one. We've spread this out, and we are going to now put
And you
a
kind of
peach.
went ahead and took your knife and separated
I
it.
did. We're going to put a peach in the middle.
All right.
And Amanda, I'm going to go ahead and let you start rolling them up.
Okay, roll from the bottom up?
Yes, you can roll from the large.
Oh, down.
Probably from the large to the small.
Okay.
If you see what I'm talking about, one
I
of
do.
them is. So we're going to take these and we're going to roll them up. The peaches right now are so good because they are freestone.
Uh-huh.
And we're going
Now,
to.
and I set it down right here?
Yes, and you can set it right there.
All right.
I'll go ahead and get
So the
this
peach
in.
can be poking out a little bit. It doesn't have to
Yes,
be
it
completely
can.
wrapped up in the blanket.
That's right.
Okay.
They can be wrapped up in the blanket.
And we'll tell those clips and food people that we both washed our hands very carefully.
That's right,
before
we
started.
did. Food safety, right?
Yep.
Now, while you do the rest of those, I'm going to go ahead and get our other croissants ready because
Okay.
we're going to make.
And we're just putting these right on this pan. We hadn't done a thing to the pan.
That's right, you don't even have to butter it because
Great.
we're going to put enough butter on it in just a minute. But I'm
It
going
is
to
the
go
South
ahead
after
and
all.
open this up. There we go. And get our second dough
Batch
coming
going.
out.
Okay.
There, that'll be ready. in
And what
just a minute.
flavor, what variety of peach is this?
This is a windblow peach, which I think is
Windblow.
nice because it's yellow. A lot of people like red peaches, but I like to cook with the yellow ones.
You do?
Because they just are so bright and,
They are bright.
nice.
What? So there's really no difference in flavor. It's just a varietal difference
That's
when they
right.
have the color.
That's right. All right, we got that many
Okay.
done. Now let's go ahead
Work
and
on
we're
these
going
guys.
to open this dough out.
Now, when you make these, Gaie, how long do you have to eat them all the same day? Are they good the next
Oh,
day?
they taste delicious the next day.
Oh, they do?
They sure
Okay.
do. Okay, we're going to get this done. You know, there's so many things you can do with these croissants, but I think this is the best.
I'm real excited. Yeah.
We're going to take our knife and
So are we about halfway? When did the peaches start coming in good this year?
starting the week of the 4th of July is really the time when there's so many great peaches.
A lot of varieties coming in.
A lot of varieties.
Now, the early ones tend to cling, is that right?
That's right.
And
They
some
are
people like
clean.
to use those for making peach pickles and things.
They do. They sure do. All right, now we're going to go ahead and put a little quarter of peach in all of these. Now,
Okay.
we're not going to add any sugar right now because we're going to
That's
do
all
that
coming
later.
This is easy.
It is. These hot lights have made our croissants a little hot, so they're tearing up a little bit, but they'll still be
You know what?
just good.
They can come out all the same after they're cooked.
That's
It's gonna be
right.
fine.
It will. It'll be fine.
Well, do you ever get tired of peaches?
I never get tired of peaches. I never
feel
get.
that way,
I
too.
always get. I can always find another recipe.
You know, it's like fresh tomatoes. I mean, they're just so special when they're coming in.
And really, at our house, we eat a lot of peaches plain with cereal.
Yeah.
Or as dessert for supper.
I've even started putting peaches in my green salads at night. I like a little fruit taste in my
that
green
sounds
salad.
good.
Yeah, we've been using some arugula, you know, and that's got that kind of bitter aspect
Yes.
to it. And so if
And
I,
then the sweetness of the peach.
the peach is just a great flavor combination. So I think you can do almost anything you want with the peach.
All right, we've about got our
Just about got it.
enchiladas. We got one more to go
A little
here.
bit sticky fingers.
Yes,
That's okay.
that's okay.
Okay.
Now we're going to move our wax paper
Okay.
and start with the second step. Now I have already melted that butter.
All right.
So we have 2 sticks of butter,
So we use 2 croissant packages, and we've
Yes.
got 2 sticks of butter,
a cup and a half of sugar
cup and a half of sugar.
that goes right into the butter, and also some cinnamon.
About how much cinnamon?
That's about a tablespoon.
About
and
a
half.
tablespoon. Okay. So this is going to have
right.
some kind of depth of character.
It is.
All
And
right.
Now we're going to stir this up.
Well, so far I think I could manage this myself.
Yes. It's a great recipe. I have had some fathers tell me that this is a favorite thing to do with their children when
Oh,
mama's gone.
Because it's easy.
Because it's so
Yeah.
easy.
Isn't that fun? Yeah.
And I do believe we used a teaspoon of cinnamon, not a tablespoon, but we did use a
And
teaspoon.
you can adjust it depending
That's
on how much
right.
you like. Sure.
All right, so I'm going to let you just pour it over. And
Really?
you
Just pour it
You just
over?
do like this. You just
Okay.
pour it over. We're going to pour this delicious cinnamon and sugar over our
Well, since
peach
I didn't get to do
enchiladas.
that, I guess that means I get to taste.
That's right, you'll get to taste. Now, I like to sort of spread it out a little
yeah.
bit. And if
This guy needed a
that
little
one
bit
needs
more.
a little bit
Yeah.
more right there, right?
Okay.
We'll put a little bit more on that one. We're almost ready now for the secret ingredient. Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew. This makes them a little bit crunchy. So they're going to
little
be
bit
a little
crunchy.
crunchy. So I think it gives
So it really gives it that pastry sensation.
Yes, it does. It does.
You know, the new fancy word is mouthfeel.
Oh, is that right?
That's the new fancy
Mouthfeel,
word.
okay.
Yeah. So that adds the mouthfeel aspect.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're
well,
gonna-
maybe I can do that.
Yes, you can do that. It's about 12 ounces of Mountain Dew.
Okay.
And you just pour it on top,
All right.
and we'll be ready to put it in the oven. Now we're going to bake at 350, and
Okay.
they bake for 45 minutes.
All right.
That will get that peach nice and soft.
And I'm going to use this.
Yep, that's
And how many ounces was it?
12.
12 ounces. Okay.
That's great.
Well, that looks like that. Okay. Well, we've got the oven all nice and preheated, so I'm going to turn around and put these in if that's all right with you.
That
Since
sounds
I'm
great.
closer. All righty. Here you go, fellas. I can't wait for them to come out. Well, we waited our 45 minutes, and then you've made me wait longer because you said they have to cool off a little bit.
We do want them to cool a little bit. We don't want we don't want to burn our tongue.
And this has been torture because the smell is just wonderful.
Oh, it's delicious, isn't it? That cinnamon and sugar and
Oh,
butter.
gosh. Well, maybe try some?
Yes, we will. Let's get one. Uh-oh. There we go. Oh, yeah. That's
Oh.
just great.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, yes. I'm going to get that one right there. Oh, boy.
Okay, let's see.
All right. Get some of that delicious peach in there.
Okay. You know, and I was afraid it'd be kind of soggy, but it's not the least bit.
No, it's not
It's
soggy.
just like pie almost.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if they don't all get eaten up, do you keep them in the refrigerator?
Yes, you can.
You do,
I
okay.
think it's best to keep them in the refrigerator, although at our house, none of them make it to the refrigerator. We eat them all.
I know people are going to want to fix this at home because it was so good and easy. Where can they get the recipe?
They can get it at our webpage, which is maxpride.com.
And do you have other recipes there?
We have lots of recipes there. Just look for the peach enchilada recipe.
Thank you so much for sharing this with us.
Oh, you're so welcome.